Hello, hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right. How are you? It's Monday today. Okay, NFP week this week. Are you ready? Okay. Good morning, Mohammed. One forgotten son, Carrie. 5 handles. Trader X Chase. Alphas. The Digol Alice. I'm Old Wolf. Julu Buddha. Macro. As told by Grad. AAMX. Kaiyun. G10 is sure. Cranny PP. Did you just start streaming? Yes, I just start. What do you mean? Authentic Cuban. Momo, good morning. DBT. Kingdom. Futures Trading Dawn. Alright. So, yeah, anyone in the trade right now? Good morning, Janice. George. Okay, so we gap up today, right? You know, so many people live streaming the market open, like at 6. So, you know, my phone just got so many alerts at that time. Everyone is streaming for market open. We are very close to this gap. Also, we got a VI here. You're looking for a gap fill. Which gap are you talking about? Like this gap, the new week opening gap, or the daily average above us? Alright, so today we got a relatively smaller range for Asia session. On ES, we have swept the Asia high. We didn't do it on NQ yet, and we actually got another 1 hour average just above the Asia high. The opening gaps of this one, alright, good. So, any news from this weekend, over the weekend, except the Middle East thing? 28,700. So it's around here, right? Above the Asia high. You feel like you just need to buy anywhere? Who knows? We're actually having bearish SMT with ES right now. So it's not like price definitely gonna sweep the Asia high first before going down, right? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Pino. So this week we got PMI at 10. Friday NFP. Next week CPI. But today should be the most the highest probability trading day for this week. I have no idea yet. Let's see. Because I don't think I will trade multiple days this week, so I'm trying to make more W this day, so I can skip the whole NFP week. So usually for NFP week, because if I sit in front of the screen, I would just want to trade. I know I shouldn't, but if I turn on the chart and then stay at home, I just can't help to take some trades, maybe some scalp. So I usually just arrange some schedule for myself so I can just stay away from the chart. We got a relative equal high here. This is probably a good long. Let's take a try. Let me see how price you add with this. Oh, a bad field. Let me see. I'll put it here probably. Let's put it to Asia high. Bad seal, bad seal. Let me get away with the. See if this BC can hold. Oh. Happy NFP week. How come it's a happy week? We got like less trading days to trade. Like for example, like first day I'll skip it. I'll skip the whole day for sure. Wednesday I'll probably skip it too. Good morning, Wilson. 230 CPI. What CPI is that? UK CPI? We don't have CPI this week, isn't it? It's next week. Like for US CPI. Remember to size down the rest of the week. I wanna just like I recommend skipping to trade the whole week. Sweet CPI. I don't think Sweet will have a huge influence on NQ. Oh, we're so close to stop. Let's see if we got a first stop for the day. I'm out here. What? How important is that? A 120, 22 points. 20 points. Stop. Oh, come on! Don't give. Really? Oh, come on! I don't want to get in again here. Seriously. I would like to see more retracement. Oh, come on! Work do the damage. You talk about a playlist. Playlist is in my Discord. I got a ICT channel. And I put all the recommended playlists on there. High resistance liquidity. Yeah, that sucks. But like, I don't want to see price chop here. I want to see like a drop and sweep this low. It can just go down all the way, but like, if we chop here, it's hard to find another setup at the moment. Is San Yisu? Let me see. The mic. Oh, I think the mic is working fine. Oh, you mean the background music playlist? That's insane. So the playlist right now I'm playing is this one, with this website. And if you're looking for that K-pop playlist, you just have to choose the K-pop genre. Then you will see all those upbeat music. Because these are like copyright music, so it's different than Spotify. What do you mean? You feel bad if we stop hunted? We slow down right now. I don't like it. I mean, like, if price just go straight down, then I can know I just simply got a wrong bias for the move, right? So it's easy. Then I can just wait for more movement and then find another setup. But right now, it's chopping inside this PDRA. So make me doubt. Actually, I probably didn't have the wrong bias. I just got the wick do the damage. That's why I got stopped out. That will make me tempted to enter another long in the same position, in the same entry point. So it's the worst. It's the worst. You better move. Thank you. Bias is bearish. No bias. No bias for London session. I'm not trading the daily range. I don't need the bias. Oh, Fowdy, we're going down. Come on. Chop again? Don't. But we got a LRL here with this 4 wick. Did you guys see that? Price will soon go back here to sweep all this LRL here. It's not like another Asia session. No. Why do we do a poll? Sentiment is not, it's not useful. Wherever you want, if you want it, okay. You growing? No, I'm not. I'm so tired today. Only sleep 3 hours. Oh, we just sweep CCC. We just sweep these 3 LRL and form a equal low with the first wick. What do you mean? BKK we have. I need to go to the gym today, so we better end this session quickly. Come on, give me a setup. I'm slimmer than before. No, I'm actually not that slim. I mean, I'm still trying to get in shape. Still far away from the target I want. That's why I have to eat those healthy trash every day. Because I'm not getting in the shape I want yet. Good morning, Ray. Like me? No. That's no. But that's great. That's a good shape, but like more East Asian shape, if you know what I mean. Good morning, Daniel. We got a huge BC down here, down this low. Patrick, thank you. If we stay above the C of that wick, this one. Are you the only one shorting? Probably, I don't know. Let's see the votes. 50% looking for long, 30% looking for short, 24% looking for fun. So what is the fun you guys looking for? The banter? But you know, for this sentiment, usually you should take a opposite direction for this vote. On Saturday I went to Dubai Mall, so I want to get another shirt. I want to get a smaller size, so so I bought a shirt, and then after I walk out of that shop, suddenly I feel like I'm out of conscious, and it's all in a sudden. And when I awake again, I bought a Chanel. That is so crazy. You know what I mean? I was just walk out from the shop from like Ralph Lauren, and suddenly I bought a Chanel out of nowhere. I must be sleepwalking. Like it's impossible. It's not me. I wouldn't do that. I'll never think of doing this. Mind control. No. I mean, we get 5% sales tax in Dubai. Why would I buy it here? I should buy it in Hong Kong. I don't know what happened. It's not me. I didn't do it. Chanel shirt? No. From another shop. Oh, the sweet CPI. You just got it. I think it didn't affect NQ at all. Yeah, nothing changed. Black magic? Huh. But I thought like we got less tourists in summer and also because of the war. But actually now, it's still so crowded in downtown. I always have more viewers when I'm not in trade. I don't think so. But yeah, I believe one day when I hit the peak view, I think 400 something. I wasn't in a trade at that time. Good morning. Can we sweep the low? We did it on yes. But like, Ray, I want to long, but are you still in your short? I mean, if you're still shorting, then I probably should just wait more. Wait a little bit. One more try for that If I get stopped out here, I will probably wait for price to clear these too low first. Or maybe look for a short setup. But because like right now we're in the middle, not middle, but like almost middle of the range. So it's hard for me to short here. I mean, it's good to short here, this one. Because it's like 2022 model. If I short here, it's kind of crazy. Very choppy right now, yeah. How many days to pass aqua funded standard? So the one step standard is 1 day, if I didn't remember wrong. The aqua futures one is 1 day. Oh, come on. If I get too many L today, I probably have to stream tomorrow. But I actually want to skip tomorrow's stream. Like, try to take more rest for NFP week. Friday first presented FVG. I don't know. We can take a look later. Minimum days to pass the files. Yeah. I think you can check out the FAQ. They got an update for the website, so I gotta say, like, it's kind of messy right now. Oh, very close to my stop. Am I gonna stop? Oh, come on. EQ low. What? 28,615? Oh, it's possible. We got a relative EQ low here. But I did want to go at least to the MNO first. So it's kind of like I use it as a reference. We'll probably go lower to touch this BC first. We got a huge BC here. Why did you mark the lower ping red zone? What do you mean? For the standards, there's no consistency rule on eval for the one-step standard eval, aqua funded. So you can pass it in 1 day. Why are you trading this session, not the AM session? Because you didn't stay at my home 24 hours, so you have no idea which session I trade. I trade both. Oh, was unseen in the short. Everyone in the short, I should probably close my long, right? In that case. I'm hedging with the chat right now. doesn't look good on 30 seconds and 15 seconds. Yeah, I should probably just close it and wait for another setup. So I close it with, I don't know, 20 points, 18 points. Yeah, because like this BC didn't hold price, so probably chop a little bit first. So I just cut it earlier, see if we can get another setup. Who will win? No, come on, we don't compare to each other. Okay, we never do that. Especially females, we don't try to do that to us. We don't do this. We trade together. Friday first presented average. Why this one? You mean we are here right now? Well, I won't. To be honest, I will use the first percent average for the next day. Like, I don't feel like it's very relevant to that. Hoo, got a wick. I look tired because I am. I'm trying my best to open my eyes right now. Fox and Z, where did you enter? Here? Or from here? I mean, if this... I don't want to enter with this. No monster? Yeah, I got a monster. I almost forgot. I would be horrified. What have you done? What have you done yesterday? To 28,643 here. Okay. It's not my model. But good for you. I mean, a win is a win. You got your cigar? I thought you having a healthy lifestyle. Man, seriously, I can't pay this anymore. It's just so boring. I'm going to fall asleep. One cigar per year? Really? Just one? I mean, there's nothing here. Sometimes sometimes I'm just thinking maybe I should just start the stream at 4 a.m. because most of my winning trades, like in this year for London session, most of my winning trade happen after 4. Like maybe I should adapt to the market change for London session. And chat, if you want some giveaway today, don't forget to hit the like button. Market will go after people who recently profitable and then it will give a move. What? We missed the 3 a.m. curse content. Well, I didn't make a lot of editing for the live streams. I didn't find any good editors. Yeah, so we still have 15 minutes to 3 a.m. We'll see. I'll wait until 3 a.m. Did you guys watch the latest ICT mentorship? I think he posted something, right? Post 2 lecture on his channel. Yeah, I don't have time to watch it yet. Maybe, yeah, I think this week I can finish it. You started watching the first one and fell asleep. I feel you. That's why I always like watch with a walking pad or just doing body weight lunges or squats while watching ICT videos. Because I have to do something else. If I just sit there and watch the whole videos, I can't finish it. It's boring, for sure it's boring. Never say it's fun, but it's helpful. Oh, come on. Like we all know we gap up today, so for sure we will feel this gap. But like, I was trying to get up to the 1 hour average here first before drop down again and fill the gap. But now we're still inside this 4 hour gap. High probability PD arrays. All right. You know, I think on Friday, I think it's Friday, they've done a trader roundup, right? Like Kit and Michael. Yeah, I try my best to listen to it, but I literally fall asleep. So I think I only listen to the first, I think 30%, and then I fall asleep. Oh, first TP hit. Which one? Here? Four hours long. Then I think I only hear the first hour. I'm sorry. You know when you're like lying on the bed and someone's keep talking just next to you? I mean, you will fall asleep for sure. Better than reading a book. That's that, you scam. But the gap is huge, you know, problem is like, so it's not like price will just tap into the gap and go up again. Probably just gonna fill the whole gap right now. That's why I don't want price go down first. I want to go up first, so we can catch one of the move at least. Just to discount for range. One shot. I mean, if you're in the short position, you can leave a warner. But if you want to short here, you have to think about where you're gonna put your stop loss. I mean, if you put your stop loss here or here, it's probably safe. But if you need a tight stop loss like me, I mean, you can. Michael just shot at 211. Where? This one? 211. That's not my model though. ICT just posed a chase sorting. I'm so glad I'm not hatching with him. I don't want to hatch with ICT. Oh, he closed his shot. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign that we can try to look for another long setup. You can short if price retraces back to... No, I mean... So where am I gonna put my stop loss? Can you tell me? Seriously, I need a tight stop loss. So if you only tell me the direction, it's not enough. Because how much I risk for a trade is the most important. We can take a look, I think. Here. So, oh man, he shot from here. He shot from here, bro. That's the, oh, come on. It's like 11:45. It's 11:45. Shot from here. Man, that's totally different. All right. So I was thinking, how come he's gonna short to 11? That's not his first entry, right? Short from here. That's good. So coast trade BC. Awesome. What's the difference? I see. Whoa, 17 contracts. I mean, even from here, it got like 17 contracts. That's insane. Oh, let me take a look. Wait. Oh, yeah. You close halfway to your TP because it's rechasing. Re-entry somewhere to what? 6. Short now. I mean, it's eval trade, you can short anywhere you want. I'm not gonna risk my account with this. This is... Bro, where am I gonna put my stop loss? Everyone tell me to short, so tell me, how am I gonna risk my trade? How? You call it? You call shit. You call nothing. You call nothing. Where's the entry point? Where's the stop loss? It never tell. I mean, I can enter anything here with eval, right? What the hell did you tell? It calls shit. I mean, if you really want to call something, you have to call like Ray, okay? She got very precise and specific levels for your bias and your move. Not just let's long now, let's short now. It's not calling anything, okay? It's not like calling, it's gambling. Just so you know. If you really want to call something, learn from Ray, okay? You have to call like her. Stop loss at all-time high. Stop loss at all-time high. What am I so far away right now? We need to wait for more data. What data? Okay, we just gotta work sweeping this low. It doesn't make any sense. If we short now, stop will be almost 100 points. I don't know. Probably short on evals, so you don't need any stop loss. Learn from your queen. Our queen is Ray here, obviously. Install the 20 SMA. Oh wow, George. You know, when I first learned about trading, I think it's 2019, 2020. At that time, I used SMA and also EMA. Used 20, 50, and another one, I think 200. Yeah, I really done that before. But at that time, I was trading stocks. Like US stocks. That was your call. Oh wow. Okay, let's see if you so insist. Let's see, who are you? How do we? Marley, is that how she pronounce your name? So this is you, right? Oh, you got an official music video. Okay, so. Oh my god. You're a rapper or a singer? What did you call? Tell us. So you're from Canada. Oh, hello, Canadian. Once again, what did you call? Tell us. Do we have to pay this song here? No, we probably have copyright, so no, I'm not doing this. I'm promoting you, actually, isn't it? So now more people are gonna watch your music video. It's probably a good thing, isn't it? All right. Yeah. I guess you better just stay as a singer. I don't know, rapper. I'm not so sure what that is though. Oh, you can live stream. I mean, you got a YouTube channel, right? You can just turn on your camera now and stream. Because like you're so good at acting in front of the camera. I guess it's probably good for you, isn't it? Has a face mask on. I don't know. Why are you not using SMA anymore? Well, I grow. Okay, I learn more proper strategies instead of. I try to say something that won't offend anyone. Just no, thank you. No, thank you. Ignore that guy. No, we're just having fun here. You know, every time people come here to say, I caught it, I told you. A lot of people like that. Why don't you tell me the lottery number if you're so good? If you're so good, you only have 30 subscribers. I know. SMA is a shit. Okay, I didn't say it. I didn't say SMA is a shit, okay? I didn't say it. I don't want to say it out loud. Because I'm sure some people out there using only these indicators are making a lot of money. So, you know, if I say something like that, they will probably turn into haters, you know. Oh, come on. We probably close half of the gap if we keep on dropping like this speed. Please tell me so I would know and not use SMA anymore if you have a valid reason. You should find the reason yourself, innit? I mean, you can't just keep on listening to others. Because you don't have enough conviction for that. You have to test it on your own. Like probably backtest it, forward test it. And after your backtest and forward test, you find it's working so well for you, then no matter what others talking about, you should keep on using that, isn't it? Just always, if you want the truth, you have to find it out on your own. Don't just listen to someone else. From your experience, will you close the gap directly or need to wait? We literally just tap into the gap right now. This is the new walk, like, and what new wick opening gap. Oh, come on. Best advice, pursue the truth. You want to hear my side? I don't provide any financial advice or investment advice. But I have to say, like, at that time when I was trading stocks with those SMA, EMA, I was doing swing trading. I'm not doing day trading. So for me, like 20 EMA or SMA or 50 EMA, if I do swing trading, it's probably not that bad. But if you do day trading, I don't know what's the point of seeing those things. But yeah, you know, those indicators exist for a reason. So if you want to use it, just keep on using it. Long IFG if it's good setup. But the point is, like, you see the wick, how the wick just sweep with one tick. I don't like it. Like, yeah, it can be a valid turtle shoe for sure, but just one tick, it's not very convincing. I will probably enter if I'm not taking a loss before, but because I take a loss before, so I want to be like more cautious about the next trade. Five minutes chart. I mean, these two is still my liquidity pool that I'm targeting, but like I need a setup. I need a tight stop loss setup for me to get in. Advice for beginners traders: just lower your expectation on trading. You won't become consistently profitable in a short period of time. It takes years. I try to tell you it only take you 1 year, but like I don't think so. Unless you don't have a job, you don't have to go to school, like you can spend like 12 hours a day on studying charts, probably you can do it in 1 year. But if you have a like normal life, it's hard to get profitable in 1 year. Come to your re-entry. What are you re-entry for short here right now? Come on. You took the loan from Globex Open? What, this one? Oh, okay, but it was chopping whole day. How much money you lost when you started trading? So the biggest losing trade was oil. I was trading oil, CFD. Almost 80,000 US dollar on one trade. So obviously I don't know anything about trading at that time. So I make every mistake that I can make. Like over leveraging, didn't reduce my risk after multiple losses, adding to losses a lot of things. I don't have a solid trading model. So right now I don't trade commodities anymore. I got traumatized by oil. No more oil. Thankfully not 80k. Oh come on, fuck. That's a loss of money, yeah. And those monies are my savings that I like worked for my full-time job at that time. So that was a lot. But I was very good at my job. So I did make a lot of money just by working a full-time job. Do you think I see it on this one? Probably. Who knows? It looks so good, but like this one just sucks. You know? This one take the crease whip, I really don't like it. We are all being traumatized by oil right now. Ah, yeah. I don't even remember that time. I think it's 2021. I need to take a look on the record first. Probably 2021. Don't know why young people now don't want to work hard in full-time jobs. Climb corporate ladder. And because they don't believe you can make a fortune on just working a full-time job. They think it's impossible. So every time when I say like I lose a lot of money and I get back, they will say like affiliate commission, daddy's money. But they totally forget that I actually worked for a decade just working on a full-time job. They think I probably can make money on my own. Because they can. So they think everyone cannot do that too. In USA, you can't really make a fortune working 9 to 5 because of the tax, right? But like in Hong Kong, the tax rate is so low, and we got a lot of what it's called, tax reduction. I don't know what's the name of it. Tax deduction, something like that. So even for working those full-time jobs, I almost pay nothing for taxes. Almost nothing. So I think I get at least 95% of the salary I earn. Oh, come on. Do something. And kill. We got a VI here. Tax in California is wild. That's why I got lots of cousins living in LA and they are crazy rich. So I was like, how are they gonna survive there? The tax rate is so high. So probably they are more wealthy than I can ever imagine. If they live in that high tax rate state and still being so wealthy. The tax in England. That's why I didn't go to London because of the tax. Do they have a home in another state? I don't think so. Yes, going up to. No, I think I will skip it. I'll skip this one. I don't have enough conviction for this one. Big yeah, sounds like a boomer. Come on. I don't think so. I think this person is probably the kid, right? Kocho-san, Japanese? No, actually, I think no matter what age you are, you can success in trading. Like, I think there's a lot of, like Doji. Doji is like 21, 2, I guess. And he's good at what he's doing. But the climbing the corporate ladder is fun too, actually. We can call people kids because they're so much younger than us. Oh, what is this? Chat, what is this? We got news or something? I am so glad that I say I skipped this one. I am so happy. I am not in a chair right now. Oh. Are we coming to this relatively low? So these two BC didn't hold the price. The candle body is completely outside of these two PD area right now. What is this? Price action. It's price action. Oh, come on. The Japanese guy. Come on, calm down, okay? Calm down. It's okay. If you don't like corporate ladder, just do whatever you do, okay? I want to see if price gonna sweep low. Oh, yes did it. Yes, with this swing low. So, let me cancel it out. Today's Asia was already trashed. Corporate life still work, yeah. And you know you have a lot of networking, social networking opportunities by working at a corporate. And if you just keep on working as a content creator or traders, I mean, you can't really see the world. You can't really explore the world. I mean, just traveling on your own is not really exploring the world. You know what I mean, right? The market is the market. What? So it's because we got some Middle East news for this candlestick, is it? Well, I would say that you have to work a full-time job that will give you more opportunities, not just the salary. If the salary is the only thing that your job can offer to you, it's not worth your time. I mean, it have to give you something else. It was already candle. Oh, I don't like price skipping this low. I don't like that. Chat hates corporates like their parents born rich. Corporate life is fun. I love it. You know, those annual dinners was so much fun. You know, I really miss those times. Very hard to find a worthwhile job in Canada. But yeah, I can understand, like in North America, the tax rate is too high. So probably it's not worth it if you work just a full-time job because most of your money is going to the government. Oh, come on, really? Sweep this low, please. Really. Don't. Oh, fuck me. Why are you doing this to me? Ah. It often does not make sense cheating all your time for solely to reward. Yeah, of course. That's why I became a cheater, right? That's why I didn't work on those jobs anymore. I learned a lot of things, like soft skills, a lot of soft skills I learned from just working those jobs. Putting 100% of your portfolio into one stock, zero diversification, and letting a manager hold your stop loss. Talk about bad risk management. But you have to understand, if you graduate from college and you didn't have any working experience, the only thing you know is trading, nothing else. You need to learn something first, right? That's why, for example, like I work with a lot of editors recently, video editors, that obviously they don't have corporate life before because they are so stuck with their working attitude. They don't even know how to take things serious. So if you just work for a freelance job right after you graduate, you don't know how to work. And you know, I would say the so-called corporate ladder is like a stepping stone for you. So you learn something from those companies, and after that you can start your own company, right? Start your own business. So you know how to operate your business, how to do social networking, what kind of thing you should do or shouldn't do. But of course you need to have some, you know, you have to make sure your boss or your managers are good people. Because if they suck, then you will not learn anything. I guess you probably have like bad experience working for those full-time job. That's why I can understand that, because I have those bad experience too. Not every full-time job is good for me. Sometimes it's just wasting my time. But some of it is really good. Like, it literally changed my life. Changed how I see the world. Yeah, so it's the Middle East news, right? Traumatized from working for a black company. Well, I can understand, seriously. Because like when I was working on those jobs, some of those jobs, I hate it. I really hate it. Oh, come on. Chat, I really want to enter, but this low really make me concerned. I really don't like it. Come on, just give me a wick. Give me a wick to sweep at least this low. If you like, you can also sweep the Asia low. $4 a.m. I have to wait until 4 a.m. Oh, come on. No. You only had one full-time job, started trading stock right after? Took a part-time job that pay as much? Ah, I see. I worked in so many different industries before, so I know, like, if your manager or your boss, dumbass, what will happen, I know. But if your coworkers or like, if your whole departments are just so good, you will feel so much fun for working those jobs, and you learn a lot. So it depends. If you still stuck in those corporate life and you hate your job, actually just try to switch to another job. That's what I will recommend. Try to switch to another company instead of just quitting the whole full-time job, you know. Just switch to another company. Or maybe another industry. And if you're so young, it's not hard to switch jobs, right? And if you're over 30, it will be hard for you to switch to other industry. So if you still have those chances, just try more different opportunities. This price session sucks. Yeah, indeed. Sucks. Like both ES and NQ will keep on creating sell side here, so come on. I can't get in here. I can't. No, it's too risky for me. Because I got losses before. It's not like this is gonna be my first chase, so I have to think about risk management. The Japanese corporate lie is probably extra brutal. Oh, hey, yeah, you're right. Okay, now I understand. Yeah, I heard a lot of, things about a lot of reputation about those Japanese company. Yeah, I forgot he's Japanese. Yeah, you're right. It probably sucks. You're right. Feeling bad working your current job, but no choice for a fresh grad. Yeah, if you're fresh grad, just work for at least 1 year, because if it's less than 1 year, you can write it in your resume. Alright. So after 1 year, then switch to other companies. Oh, come on, NQ, give me an entry. Pretty hard to switch and get a job right now. Yeah, I think the economy sucks, right, for a lot of countries right now. 30 is young, not to the employers. The employers don't think 30 is young age. So you better make your decisions about your future career before 30. Yeah, I'm still looking for long, be honest, but like I need a lower risk entry. You went to Yuli in Japan. The work culture was the only reason you left. That was sucks. So. Japanese salaryman culture is pure mental slavery. I worked for an Italian company before, and there's so many other those coworkers are from many different countries. So at that time, that was the first time I know that we can actually have a coffee break, which is like legit, that no one's gonna say anything about you having a coffee break. Because before that, when I worked for those Hong Kong companies, it's impossible. I mean, it will be considering lazy if you try to get yourself a coffee break or a smoking break for some of the coworkers. Aqua Futures, yeah, we got Aqua Futures, TPT. What else? MFFU, Lucid. Coffee break built into British working life. What are we doing within this PDR? What are we doing here? You know, I don't like how price move up like this. I don't like it. You know, this is shit. I want alone with this kind of thing. Which kind of MFFU? I think it's Rapid. I think it's Rapid. I don't remember. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think it's Rapid. 50K Rapid. Five minutes. Oh. Oh, we're dropping. Yeah, I know. When we see something like this, I know you coming for this. I know it damn well. Oh wow, wait, how do you know it's 2-day pass? I thought you don't trade prop firms. To avoid more to live, well, you have to make sure you can afford to blow up all those accounts. Like sim farmer can be dangerous, so make sure you're not spending too much to be a sim farmer. You decided to buy a 5-pack Shadify at the weekend. Oh wow! Finally, you enter into the prop firm world. Welcome. Don't forget to use code Candy for your new prop firm account. Okay. Yeah, I mean, trading prop firm is fun. You don't have to risk that much on your personal. And if something's happened to the platform, you know, usually most of the time the prop firm will just compensate you. I mean, because you have some milestone when you're trading pot firm. If you trade your personal accounts, like you're just getting win, getting losses, and then withdrawal, and that's all. I mean, you don't have like an achievement or someone telling you you just passed a stage, right? But if you trade pot firm, like for example, you pass the eval, you get to your fund account, first payout, second payout live, everything like billboard. This kind of thing only happen in the pot firm industry. So if you're trading on your own, you can get those funds. Pot firm is illegal. Why? Why is it illegal? In your country, it's illegal. Come on. Sweep below. You can actually go to Asia low, but like, I hope it won't go too far away, because if price try to close the whole gap right now, I will get no chance to take another setup. Sucks PA. Well, it's actually not bad. I mean, I got the wrong bias obviously, but like, it's actually not that bad. You can still get a lot of opportunities, but we need a larger stop loss for that. Promote gambling without disclaimers. I believe they have disclaimers. Like, they have disclaimers. But did you read all those terms and conditions? I think most of the people don't read terms and conditions. You in the long? Why are you in the long right now? Can you explain how Michael shot at the top? I didn't even read all those tweets yet. But I think he explained it on Twitter already. Why did you long? I didn't even take a long. Okay, we just tape into this low. So right now we got a equal low here. Oh, let me change to 5. Look at that CB just sitting there in the M wall. Which one? Someone just asked who's Michael. What is that? What kind of question is that? I don't know which is worse. Like, who is Candace worse or who is Michael is worse? Okay, goodbye. Goodbye this relative equal low. Well, so sometimes I just have to trust my guts, right? So the one tick sweep is definitely an unfinished business. Oh my god, it's 43 degrees. Oh, out there. Ah. The sandstorm here is just kind of insane right now. I mean, I need to turn on my air purifier. Is that how I pronounce? I mean, that's why I don't want to do that skydiving in summer in Dubai, because the sandstorm here is crazy. What really are the steps in your system? Well, first find an obvious the cripple, and then see if you're premium or discount right now, and get your liquidity sweep, got a decent risk reward ratio, and a decent stop loss, and an entry point, then you can get in. So for example, today for my obvious liquidity pool will be this equal high and this MNO. And we got so many liquidity sweep here, for example like this one. But I don't have enough conviction to enter with a tight stop loss. Tight stop loss is so important to me. But like if you can use a larger one, you didn't have to trade like me. It's just my own preference. Because I like enter with all the A, B, C per setup. I'm not just entering A per setup. So I will have like multiple entries every session. You live in Hong Kong and UAE just like me, really? Where are you living in UAE? Oh, we got so many people from UAE. How come? So we are close to 4 a.m. Seriously, I really need to think about like considering switching the stream to start at 4. I mean, I got nothing. Yeah, because Hong Kong people can handle the heat. Exactly. And the humidity here is actually lower than Hong Kong, so it's no big deal. I am so sure we will get a move up, but like, it's so hard to catch that move right now. I'm like 100% sure we're gonna go. You see so many. You see this LRL here, right? At least we're gonna come here. At least we're gonna come here. Like, touch the low of this CB and also MNO. Probably a wake up MNO. I'm just so fucking sure, like 200% sure we gotta get a candle up here, but I have to make sure I get after all those sell side crease sweep first. So I have to be patient enough to not get another stop, but also get in time so I won't miss the chance. So hard, this one. At least 20% of end walk. I need a manipulation nick. Manipulation nick plus displacement. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh my god, it's Michael! Good morning, good morning. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Michael, I didn't catch the shot you take. I was hesitating. Yeah. I take a long. So I make a losing trade today. Oh my god, Michael's here. We got the best trader and the best mentor here. the chat is just going crazy right now. Thank you for tuning in, for real. Yeah, the greatest trader here. Oh, Ollie, are you here too? You feel nervous already? I feel nervous too. I'm so glad at least I'm not in a trade right now. Someone invited you to join and say hi? Oh, thank you. Thank you for joining this stream. And thank you for everything you've done to the whole trading community. And good night. The chat is so excited right now. It's so funny. Yeah, I'm nervous, but at least I'm not in a trade. So it's good, everything's great. Check, calm down, calm down. That's so funny. Yeah, so with Michael's joining the chat for tuning in for a while, it's actually giving us luck. I would say we will get better luck for our next setup. Where are we just chopping here? It's nice to see him support live channels. Yeah. We all cheer up to wait. I hope we are not like overestimate what we can do for the next trade. Josh, what are you doing? We don't ask for signals, okay? We're not signal provider. We're not trading signal service. So we got a wick here, also here. It's very close to 4 a.m. right now. Yeah, I know we're gonna clear this buy side, but we still got Asia low, and we just tap into this end like a little bit. So I'm trying to be very cautious for the next trade. You know, the best case scenario for me will be at 4 a.m. we got a wick down, clearing the Asia low, then I will enter if we get a like nice PDRA. But if we didn't get the wick to sweep the Asia low, then the 4 a.m. candlestick will be the candlestick that sweep the buy side. So if we get a wick down, so that means we get a manipulation neck for that. So it will be, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. High pressure when the manta is in the stream, but he just said he's going to sleep, so I think he probably left the stream. So about 30 seconds, we will get the 4 a.m. candlestick. Come on. But yeah, it's going up. I probably won't see the work done. Let's see if I'm entering too early. If the order block didn't hold, price will probably drop. Because we just tapped into this bearish FVG. We got some VI here though. I'm probably entering too early. I should wait for more confirmation. So if I stop out from this low, I will wait for Asia low sweep because I don't have enough conviction to enter again. Come on. No. It's about to stop out, baby. It's not cursed. I didn't wait. Yeah, I need to wait for Asia low. I can always blame the market, right? If I get a loss, I am the only one who need to take the blame. I need to wait for Asia low in that case. Come on. Because like I got a problem here. I don't know if price want to close the gap during London session or gonna wait for New York session. So I have to make a choice here. Yes, of course I can handle losses. My average win rate is 40 to 45%. So when I get lower than 40%, I know I'm like over trading. I'm just being too aggressive. But if I go like, if 50% is still normal, but if I suddenly get an average 80% win rate, I know it's just, I'm just getting a good market condition instead of like I'm doing so good. Because like 80% win rate will be totally out of my range. So for like 40% win rate, that means every 10 trades I take, I will get at least 6 trades will be losing trades. Finally, I should be patient enough to wait for this Asia low. My R is high. That's why I always need a tight stop loss entry. You see, I need 25 to 30 points. I can't have anything more than that. If not, then I can get my high RR trade. You have 86% win rate. That's good. So what's your FHRR? Oh, come on, give me an NQ. So I think the next trade I took will be the last trade for this stream. Because if I keep on trading, yeah, I think probably you'll get a chance back. I know the move is coming, but like, I will be over trading if I keep on trading for more. So the next trade will be my last trade for the stream. We need to be very, very patient enough. Ow, which what ratio? Come on. Yeah, yes, still have room. PDH, you mean previous daily high, right? Don't risk long. No, that move I am so sure is here, but like the entry point is so important. Because we got a huge gap. So we can just touch 25% of the gap, 50 or maybe even more. But that reversal is for sure here because price do this for a reason. Price do this for a reason. It's creating sell stop orders here. So after creating this sell stop order, we will go back to hit those orders. So that move is important. I need to really master that skill to catch that move. Are you short? No, I'm not taking any short because taking short right now cannot get me to recover my losses. I have to not only making W but also recover the losses. So I have to be very careful for the next trade. And more patience. Let me see. I still have 1.5 hour for the live streaming because I have to get out. Is someone seriously asking what is our? There's just so many new traders here. That's why I can't do anything crazy. Now I can't just simply increase my contract size because those traders who know nothing about trading, they probably will copy. If I get a larger size, they probably think, okay, I'm so confident about this trade, let me full pot. I seem very serious. What do you mean? I am serious every day. What, you think I only banter in the stream? I'm very serious every day. My risk management is amazing. Not good enough. I think I can do better. So right now we on NQ we sweep the A channel, but ES didn't do it yet. Man, this is the last trade, chat. Seriously, this is the last trade. So if I get stopped out, just forget about it. I'm not gonna get another one. Because if I get stopped out this one, that means I didn't catch the move at all. So it's a 30 seconds order block. I'm so sure that move is out there, but if I can't get it, that means it's time to stop. Because right now price, the candlestick is still staying on the lower part of this CB, so it's not looking good. We need to at least get above this midpoint. The only thing you don't like on ICT, completely ignore order flow. Well, I'm not order flow trader. I have never traded order flow before. I mean, I trade other strategy before learning ICT concepts. And some of them I still use it nowadays, but not order flow. Yeah, so right now, this is a risky trade because we did tape into this M wall, but we didn't close the whole gap. And we did left some of the buy side liquidity here and the MNO. So we either just close the gap, more maybe at least 50% of the gap, or we'll sweep some of the buy side liquidity. So at one of the conference right now for this entry is like we did get bullish SMT with ES, and I'm not so sure if we're gonna fill the whole gap right now or we'll wait until New York session. If you add book map into ICT, you can easily see positions of big player. Actually, it's my fault. It's not because of ICT concepts. Because before this entry that I took here, I mean, you can just watch the replay. I did set it, I think at least 3 times, that at 4 a.m. we need a candlestick down to sweep the Asia low, so we got a manipulation leg, and I can take a long setup up to the buy side quit here. I mentioned it so many times, but I didn't follow my rules. You can just watch the replay. I literally said that. that I need to wait for the manipulation egg, but I didn't follow my own trading plan to wait for the manipulation egg. So it's not about ICT concept, it's me. I make those mistakes. So it's not like ICT concept is not working or anything. I'm just being too aggressive. I'm being reckless. Sometimes I have to admit my own faults, right? So I can improve for my next trade. So we should listen to what you said. Yes, of course. It's so important because like I said it out loud so I can understand what the trading plan is. Because when you're trading on your own, you won't talk to yourself, right? I mean, if you're just staying at your room trading, you won't keep talking. And you probably won't write down your trading plans. Oh, good morning, Bella. Hello. Why are you in this stream? Used to be in TBM. How much is total loss for the day? It depends on what kind of fund account you're trading. So if you build a huge buffer, you can have a bigger personal day loss limit for yourself. Oh, it just matter? Really? Oh. I want to matter too. She seems like a fun person. Oh, come on. It's coming to the stop, chat. If I stop out here, I'll just stop for the day. I mean, I have to respect my risk management. I have to make sure I won't blow up those accounts, so I can take another trade for New York session or maybe tomorrow. What is my P&L today? I will see. After this trade, I will show you. No worries. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. And the good thing is this is my account, it's not yours, so you won't get hurt from that. Oh, it's about to stop. Oh, chat, we are close. We're so close. We're so close to the stop. Oh, okay, out. Alright, out. So this is the last trade. No, I think that's enough for the session. Taking too many losses. So I guess I have to stream tomorrow in that case. You already heard taking a loan. How come? The confluence I used was the SMT and the NWAT. No, I don't know. Because if we want to close the whole gap, we will need a big move. I don't think we will just chop and keep chopping to close the gap. I think we will need a huge candle to close the gap. How can you not sad frustrated when you get losses? I am sad. I'm so upset right now, my end. I mean, this is my money. I'm sad for sure. But like, just just get another chance, right? I preserved my capital, I got risk management. So I didn't blow up anything, I can still trade another day, another session. But yeah, of course I have to like take a look on what kind of mistakes I made today and see how can I improve. Yeah. You said I'm not. Why? Tomorrow stream? Yeah, I mean like, yeah, seems like I have to stream tomorrow. Because this week is NFP week, so we'll skip Thursday and Friday on the session. And probably Wednesday too. Yes. But this is what we got when we keep on trying to take a reversal trade. I'm just thinking. Right now it's hard for me to get an entry point for reversal. But I still believe that we will get a bullish move up to clear this buy side first before closing the whole gap. That's what I believe. But I didn't catch that move, obviously. You find it easier to trade M5 rather than M1, really? Oh, that's good, that's good. I'm a 6 figures trader, that was why you're not sad. No, if you don't have 6 figures, if you have 5 figures trader, you can still take losses. Just lower your risk. You can try M and Q, right? Then you lose less. It's not about how many figures, okay? It's about how much you're risking. It's the same, it's the same. Maybe after ES take out Asia low. Yeah, maybe. But then we don't have the bullish SMT anymore. Go with the Chinese, your friend. Yeah, I know that, but like, I'm not trading. I'm not swing trading or not even trading the daily range. But yeah, I think I need to watch my own replay too. See what can I improve for this trade. I don't have Ferrari. I don't drive. SMT is not necessary. Yeah, you're right. But like, I need more confidence. Not fading away is an improvement. That's fun. But with my model, today is impossible for me to take a short. I mean, just look at the we coming from here to here. There's no liquidity sweep at all. I can't enter short position. And for 2022 model, we are entering too low. So if I want to enter 2022 model, this will be the only thing. Not even this one. This one maybe, but like, we just start the stream, I probably won't enter here. So I can't even enter the short today. Only eval trades. There's just no short position for me. I mean, how am I gonna enter any short position with all this liquidity above? It's impossible. Please don't trade on Monday because of slow price session. No, today is NFP Monday. It's different. But yeah, I did have to improve a lot. Like, Better to wait for OTE of manipulation. Like, am I being too aggressive today, chat? Do you think I'm being too aggressive? Short seems pretty easy because we have been respecting all CB. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're really absolutely right for that. Maybe I'm just too stubborn for decent risk reward ratio, the hour. I think I'm just like, I want to stick with a high hour trade. Probably this is one of the problem too. You just want the price to reverse early. Maybe? You think? As a review after touching grass. You're right. You're right. Yeah, 1 hour. Indeed, and also the 4 hour, because we are actually still inside the 4 hour bearish FVG. Maybe just now the SMA guy. No, come on, SMA is not definitely not the deal. I will never go back to SMA. We are in this camp right now, so we should be looking for loans. No, I will skip the session. I don't want to risk again. I think that's enough for the session. Yeah. I may be marrying a bullish bias. Yes, I think this is one of the reasons too. Yeah, maybe. You're right. I'm not trying to find another side, but I try to understand why I will want to stick with the long ideas. I try to understand myself. Your model doesn't see this reversal, but it works for you clearly. What do you mean? I don't understand. But yeah, I think that's it for today. We'll come back tomorrow. I'll do the review for like after 1 hour. I should take a break first. And yeah, obviously I need to write some trading journal today too, because I make some mistakes. Yep. I'm too stubborn for bias too. Why long? I just watch the replay. Okay, I mentioned so many times. You think the bias make me ignore the bearish SMT probability? Yeah, I think so. Yes, obviously. So that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. I mean, I need to take a break and then review my trades and write my trading journals. So see you all tomorrow. And thank you.